All right, so we're going to attempt to make some toast on top of this, in this cast iron pan. I'm trying to see all the different things that I can create and make with this. So we're going to attempt to make some toast. Never tried this toast, so we're going to try it for the first time. It's a keto friendly toast that I got from Aldi's. I put some butter in the pan, and I love my toast in the broiler. I think it tastes so good. I kind of put my butter onto the toast, onto the bread, and I just put it in the broiler on low, and it's so good. So what I'm going to do is just stick 2 pieces of bread in here and allow them to toast, and let's see how these turn out. I apologize for that bad screen. I forget, I cook so much and I touch my phone with oily hands and stuff, and you can actually see that the screen is kind of, needs a wipe off, and I forget and start recording. So I apologize for the beginning of the video. I'm gonna put butter on this so when I flip it, it's already ready. It's already ready. And this is avocado butter by Country Crock. I love it. It's so good. Okay, it's toasting. It's toasting. All right. I hope this bread tastes good. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. All right, nice and golden. And it doesn't look like it, but let me see if I can tap it with let me let you guys hear. Like, it isn't that dark, but they are nice and golden. This is gonna be a nice breakfast sandwich. I know she's going to like it. Got my bacon and my eggs. I did my bacon in the oven. I want to do some bacon in the cast iron pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna do 3 and a half. All right. Let's see how the other side looks. All right, and we are done. I'm gonna put another couple slices in, and then that'll be it. Here. I have some other bread. I'm gonna give it to her. This bread, the honey wheat bread from Aldi's. I had a couple slices left, so I'm gonna utilize that. I know she probably liked that better anyways. Yeah, and I have it on a 4 on my stove. This is toasting fast. Flip that back over. I'm gonna put some butter on this side, and this is it that I'm using. Just want to skim a little bit on there because it helps with the cooking and toasting, just a little bit. So yep, cast iron, I am so in love, and I've always wanted to really get into cast iron and learn it because my grandfather and grandmother used to cook with it, and I've gotten pans over the years and I didn't know what I was doing, and kind of younger and didn't want to take the time to figure it out, so I never figured out how easy it was or tried to learn how to make sure I'm using it the right way. And see, now I can cut. I could have already cut the stove off. I didn't even need it on because this continues to stay hot even when your stove is off because the heat is still in the pan. So let me show you our sandwiches. Again, cut in half, the egg, and the other. So yeah, this is her breakfast sandwich. And I hope you guys enjoyed another Cooking with Cast Iron with CPR. If so, make sure you thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I will see you guys later.